Hello everyone and welcome to Tech. With these three methods, I'm going to show you how to delete all viruses in Windows 11. Likewise, just as you can see, I'm using Windows 11, but you can apply the same method in Windows 10 and it's going to work smoothly for you if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. What we need to do is that we just have to clear our disk space. To clear the space and maximize our disk for best performance, what you just need to do is that just go to your start and search for disk cleanup. Just as you can see, as I start typing disk, the disk cleanup popped up. So just open disk cleanup. Once you open disk cleanup, we are going to be dealing with viruses. So we are going to be using our drive C. So select the drive C and then click on OK. Once you have these listed items, you just need to check all of them to clear the space. So just check everything, even including your recycle bin, because whatever that is on your recycle bin, you have moved it out just to be out of your PC. So select that in addition and then select the temporary file. So once you have selected all that, you can see that we now have a total amount of disk space we'll be having is 2 gig. But at your end, it depends on whatever files or temporary files that you have at your end. So once you just check mark all this, now just come to clean up system files. Right, that's the first method to clean your disk space. Our next step is to clear temporary file. And by clearing all the temporary files, what you just need to do is that on your start button, once again, click on your start button and search run. Once run open, we have run here. Click on it. As it opens our run dialog box, so clear whatever that is there and type in temp. Click on OK. As it opens this, so just click on continue, and whatever file that is listed here, so highlight everything. On your keyboard, press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete all the files that are in the temporary folder. Right, so everything is gone. Now once again, go to the start button again and search run again. So we have the run box again. Now this time around, type %temp %. So click on OK. Right, so as you can see, these are also temporary files, so check mark all of them. Now shift again and then delete to permanently delete all the files directly. So do this for all and then continue. The file that will not delete, just do this for all and then skip. The reason why these files are not deleting is that currently they are in use. That is why they are not being deleted. So once done, just close it. So once again, go to the start button and search run again. Click on the run, and then now this time around, type in prefetch. Right, so click on OK, continue. Once again, delete all, select all of them and then shift delete to permanently delete everything. Right, so as you can see, everything is being cleared. So all our temporary files has been cleared. Our next step for us now is to move on to deleting all our malware that is affecting our PC. So once again, just go to your start and search MRT. So right, once we have MRT, so just click on it. Right, so once it opens, so you click on yes, because it's going to run as administrator. Once it runs as administrator, you just need to allow it. So this is it here. This is a very great tool for removing all malicious files that are affecting your PC. It is a built-in tool by Microsoft, which you can use to remove all malicious files. Now once it's opened like this, so now just click on next. And then here, if you don't have much time to wait for this, what you just need to do is that you just need to do the quick check. By using the quick scan, it's only going to do a surface scan, which will not take much effect on your PC by clearing all these malicious files. So what I recommend is that you just use the full scan, and you can use your customized scan, which is by selecting a specific folder where you want to scan. Assuming if you have a drive plugged onto your PC, so you can just select this customized, go to this PC and select that specific drive and clear it. Now, but just as I said, select the full scan and then next, click on next. Once you click on next, you can see that it's now scanning, and it is going to scan the whole of your PC and then delete whatever malicious file that is affecting your PC. So once you clear all this, your PC is going to work faster and smoother. So after all this, what you just need to do is that you just need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, the PC performance is going to change and you're going to see some differences within your PC. So that is just how easy and simple it is to remove all deleted viruses within your Windows PC. So as I said, you can use it in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like, and if you have any challenges or any suggestion, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.